Facing water damage in San Diego is stressful, and understanding the potential costs is usually the first concern. While every situation is unique, breaking down the factors helps you estimate the financial impact. On average, basic water damage restoration in the area ranges from $4 to $7 per square foot. However, this is just a starting point for clean water extraction without major structural repairs. The type of water dictates the price. Category 1, or clean water from a broken pipe, is the least expensive to mitigate. Costs rise significantly if you are dealing with contaminated gray or black water from a sewer backup. Surface water on a hard floor is inexpensive to extract. If the moisture has penetrated porous materials like drywall, insulation, and carpet padding, the cost per square foot increases due to necessary demolition and disposal. Professional mitigation requires heavy-duty dehumidifiers and industrial air movers. The longer this equipment needs to run to achieve safe moisture levels inside the structure, the higher the daily operation and monitoring costs will be. If water sits untreated for more than 48 hours, mold growth is highly likely. Adding specialized mold remediation, containment barriers, and antimicrobial treatments will substantially raise the overall price per square foot. Mitigation simply stops the damage and dries the property. If your project requires replacing ruined hardwood floors or hanging new drywall, reconstruction costs are calculated entirely separately from the initial emergency drying phase. In San Diego, factors like tight crawl spaces or multi-story condominiums can impact the final bill. Difficult access requires specialized extraction equipment and additional labor hours, pushing the square footage rate upward. Fortunately, standard homeowners insurance usually covers sudden accidental water damage. Reviewing your policy limits and deductibles is crucial, as this often determines your true out-of-pocket expense rather than the gross restoration total. Waiting to act is the most expensive mistake. Small, isolated leaks quickly spread through walls into adjacent rooms, rapidly multiplying the total affected square footage and the ultimate cost of your restoration project. Get a fast, accurate assessment for your property before the damage spreads further. For transparent pricing and expert water mitigation services in San Diego, trust the local professionals. Visit goldcoastflood.com.